Hi YouTube family, in this video I'm going to be trying out the brand MONDO's hair color removal techniques, and the technique I'm going to be starting out with is the one that involves the use of baking soda. So this is the hair I'm trying to remove the color from. I'm trying to remove the color at the down part of the hair. I'm starting out by pouring my liquid wash into that bowl that has water in it. Next, I'm applying a random bath wash into the water. You can substitute this bath wash for a shampoo, and I'm also going to add the secret ingredient, which is the baking soda. So I pour the baking soda into the water, and next I'm going to use my fingers to shake and mix all these beautiful products together. When I'm done mixing these products together, next I'm going to dip the wig into the bowl and just sort of swirl it, shake it inside, shake it, dip 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 it. I'm not taking off the entire color from the hair. That's the reason why I'm being careful. I'm only taking off the color from the lower parts of the wig. And you see something that is so incredible. The mixture of the color green and wine gives you purple. That's the reason why the color of the water is turning purple. So keep dipping the wig into the bowl and shaking the hair inside of it to take off the excessive color, to take off the color we don't want anymore. I'm using my fingers to massage through the hair to get as much color off it as much as I can. You would notice that the water has turned purple, so it's high time I changed the water. While I kept trying to squeeze the hair off from the water, I noticed that because the water sort of touched the area that the green color is on, the green color came off a bit. So right now I poured in a bit of the bicarbonate soda while I'm massaging it into the hair. I'm trying to ensure that the product just gets the color out of the hair, because I'm tired of seeing that color there. These people that do this coloring method, like, how many times do you do it to get the color to come out the way it does? Because this is the first step, and I used a lot of product and still the color is still there. What is going on? Does this method really work? I'm going to change this water and repeat this process all over again. Step 2 right now, I'm applying all the products that I use, my liquid wash. Next, I'm going to pour in my shampoo and also add the bicarbonate soda into the water, and I dip the hair into it and keep on washing it like I did before. This is a repetitive process. Just watch and see how I do it, and we get to see how the color comes out looking when I'm done with this entire color removal technique. After repeating this process over and over again, I realized that even if I used a carton full of the bicarbonate soda, the color would still be on the hair. So I decided to try out the second technique, which is that of using the bleaching powder, developer, and shampoo. I added a mixture of these 3 products to a small bowl. the developer, the bleaching powder, and the shampoo. I mixed the 3 products together, and I'm using that brush right there to apply the product on the bottom part of the wig where I'm trying to take the color off. I'm going to apply this product generously to ensure that each strand of the hair gets this mixture, and I'm going to leave it on to stay for about 10-20 minutes, and I'll wash it off. So from the look of things, it seems like this second method is so far the most effective for removing color from the hair. Right now I'm trying to rinse off the color from the wig. You can see the wine has come off. Even the grain at the tips of the hair has also come off. I would continue to bleach this hair, but the problem is you don't want to end up having the strands being too sore, which will contribute to the hair breaking off. So that's the reason why I didn't continue bleaching it, because I know that if I keep on bleaching it with the mixture, it will become lighter, but I don't want to end up with damaged hair, so I had to stop the bleaching process. I have tried other color removal processes in the past, like the boiling water method, and the way the bleaching method is equally dangerous, that's the same way the boiling water method is equally dangerous, because if the hair was already over processed and you try the boiling method, you might end up having to deal with the hair breaking off completely. And the bicarbonate soda method also sort of dries out the hair. That's the reason why after I finished using the bicarbonate soda, I had to condition the hair a lot to restore moisture to it. But this is what I have right now, and I'm about to condition the hair to restore some moisture to the hair so the hair doesn't get too dry. So I'm going to condition the hair, and after I'm done conditioning the hair, I'm going to completely detangle it and air dry the hair. Then we're going to see what the end result of the hair color removal process is. But this is techniques I have used so far to take color off of this hair. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, please make sure you give the video a huge thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Like this video and share with your friends who are also trying to remove color from their wigs. This is what the hair looks like now while it's wet. You can see the green at the tip of the hair has come off. Yeah, it's sort of brownish at the tip of the hair. Look at it right now, it's dry, and the wine looks more brighter. The tip of the hair, the green is completely off. The bleaching method is the most effective method for removing color from your hair. You can see the results does not lie. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.